everybody, this is Nora with NEQ57, and on this video I am going to show you how I came up with this version of the milk bath nails. So first let me start by showing you all the materials that I used. To start out with, guys, here are my dry flower substitutes. I do not at the current have any dry flowers. I'm actually in the process of drying some out. Following Denise's hints on how to dry flowers. No, I've never done that before, pressing them in the book, etc. But yeah, I figure let me go ahead and pull. I've had these for ages. Oh my gosh. And yes, what many might dismiss as, oh, those are just cute for a little girl's nail designs. Don't underestimate these little flowers, guys. And yeah, don't mind my thumbs. I know they're in the process. They're experimental right now, but yeah, so I figured let me try this out. Let's see how they go as far as how well they adhere. And then I started thinking of other methods, and will they be too bulky? But they're not going to be much bulkier than actual flowers, right, when it comes to any bulkiness. And so here we are, and I did use some. I started to think maybe with water decals, but I truly did not want to go through the trouble of cropping the flowers. I mean, if you are willing to do that, great for you, but these are already cut out, so that's why I wanted to use those. And here's the result. So as far as polishes, let me show you those as well. So this is something that you can do, like I said on the title. No dry flowers, no build-up gel products needed. But you will need gel products or gel polishes. To attempt this with regular polishes, for those of you that might inquire, okay, it's just like putting regular top coat over chunky glitter. You know, you never get that nice smooth finish. Anyway, so to start out with, I've had this white polish by Gelish years ago, and it was quite a disappointment because it doesn't have the pigment or the opacity that you will want from a white polish. Okay, so immediately I'm glad I kept it, because this is this first thing that came to my mind to create that milky look. But I didn't use it by itself. I went ahead and still mixed it with this Madame Glam clear gel top coat, and I use this because this gel top coat has an inhibition layer. You don't have to use a top coat, clear top coat that has an inhibition layer. It could be one and no white top coat, but yeah, just mix a white. Even if yours is a true white, a nice pigmented white, just watch the ratio against your clear. For this one, I just used 1 drop of this and 2 drops of this, and it was enough to do these nails. I mean, you don't have to. It was just a little bitty amount. My base, I started out with my neck nail. You'll see I will start with the regular white before I apply the flowers. And then, guys, to help me adhere these flowers, because some of them have better adhesion than others, then I used the She Modern glue gel. And then I went over everything, and rather than using a build-up, so I use this as an encapsulation of the flowers after I use this top coat. This gel top coat is very, very thick, and the initial result after this, and with some of these flowers, they are 3D, they have raised some raised parts on them. There was a lot of bulk and lumps and dumps. I mean, it was not nice and smooth. But with this being a very thick top coat, I was able to file. And yes, you will break some pieces of the flowers or anything like that, but that is okay, because it just gives it a more natural look. And then after this was cured, I went ahead and also after filing and buffing, then I finished it with this top coat, my Emily top coat, because it's not as thick, and then I was trying to eliminate the bulk. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the video. As you can see, my nails are done except for this index, so I'm going to show you how I went about it, just doing the one on my index, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, now that I have my base prepared, I'm going to start with the flowers. Now just to let you know, this is just a piece of the water decal that I cut out from here, and I used part of the flower on this nail right here. And I don't know why that I felt compelled to somewhat mirror image the nails, as you can see. So yeah, you can see where my index finger is going to go with this. Now I'll go ahead and continue with the process. Okay guys, so here's the finished result on that white nail. When I was, the first time I was showing it against that black background, I was trying to show you by doing this, if you could see the lumps on it from the flowers, and this is after it's all smoothed out and top coats. You can tell, hopefully you can tell the difference there and with the other. So there you guys have it. Tell me what you think of this version of the milk bath nails. Just we're cheating with all those little stickers in, but can you tell fake or real? Or sometimes you can do a combination of both. So I hope you guys give this a try. Yeah, let me know how you think. Like I said, you have that I had now. It's not that perfect glass-like encapsulation that you get with builder gel or acrylics, but it's passable. I'm happy with it. I hope you guys like it too. If you have questions, let me know and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.